What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive, powerful, super episode right here on this channel. In this video, we are going to look exactly what is asynchronous programming in Python. So asynchronous programming actually enables Python applications to handle multiple tasks concurrently without additional threads or processes. This approach excels with input-output bound operations and high latency tasks where synchronous code would waste time waiting. So using an event-driven model with callbacks and coroutines, asynchronous Python improves application performance and responsiveness, making more efficient use of available resources. So how does asynchronous programming work in Python? So there's first an event loop where the central coordinator does schedules and manages the execution of asynchronous tasks. There goes a coroutine where special functions defined with asyncdef can pause execution with await keywords. And then finally we will have units of work that run concurrently within a single process, efficiently managing resources. So we have a code block here for you that you can use to try out how asynchronous programming would work, so that you can let us know how or what results you got in the comment section. Do all to try in VS Code. Try by typing it in manually so you can be a better developer.